Are your periods irregular, acne not going away, or weight loss feeling difficult? Maybe it could be PCOS, and you are not alone in this. 1 in 10 women has PCOS, but many don't even know it. What does PCOS stands for? PCOS stands for polycystic ovary syndrome. Now, what happens in PCOS? In PCOS, male hormones increases slightly and ovulation becomes irregular. इसका मतलब ये है कि मेल हॉर्मोन्स इसमें थोड़े बढ़ जाते हैं और ओव्यूलेशन रेगुलर नहीं होता. अभी what is the difference between normal ovary and a PCOS ovary? Normal ovary has few healthy eggs that grow every month. Egg releases, which is known as ovulation. It is a regular act. One egg releases each month. Hormones are balanced, periods are regular, and fertility is usually normal. Usually no extra hair, acne, or weight gain. While in a PCOS ovary, it has many small cysts that don't grow properly. Egg release is irregular or doesn't happen, so periods can be missed. Hormones are out of balance. More male hormones are there, due to which those signs and symptoms are observed. Now, let us focus on PCOS symptoms. So, how would you know that you are suffering from PCOS? So, here are a few signs and symptoms that might help you to understand that yeah, you are suffering from PCOS. Symptoms like hair loss, hirsutism, pelvic pain, infertility, overweight, irregular periods, fatigue, high testosterone level, and acne. So these are the symptoms which, like you might get an idea that, yeah, you are suffering from PCOS or you might be suffering from PCOS. So you can pay attention to these symptoms and you can, like be aware of these symptoms and these terms and what does these means for y'all. Now, now let us talk about why does PCOS happens. So the exact cause is not fully known, but some key factors are there. So key factors like genetics, insulin resistance, hormonal imbalance, etc. ये सब कुछ अनहेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल की वजह से होता है. And junk food, stress, or if you're physically inactive, these things can worsen your PCOS condition. So be careful and just pay attention to all of these. Now, if untreated PCOS, it can lead to serious health dangers like diabetes, high blood pressure, heart disease, and infertility. So ये सब जो conditions है ना, like diabetes, hypertension, etc., all of these conditions are linked to one another. They are not separate condition. If you don't focus on one thing, like if you are diabetic and you don't take care of yourself, then there is high chance that in future you can get hypertension also, heart disease also, etc. Similarly, if you are suffering from PCOS, then it increases the risk for all these type of different conditions. So you need to be very, very careful and you need to be aware about all of these conditions, terms, symptoms, risk factors, etc. Now, let us understand what can be the treatment for PCOS. So, let me be very honest with you all. There is no such permanent treatment for PCOS, but it can be manageable. मैनेजेबल इन द सेंस कि हम सिम्टम्स को कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं और एक बेटर लाइफ लिव कर सकते हैं. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ द ऑप्शन विल बी अ हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल. इट इज द मोस्ट पावरफुल ट्रीटमेंट. लाइफस्टाइल सबसे पावरफुल ट्रीटमेंट है. एक हेल्दी डाइट, डेली एक्सरसाइज एंड वेट कंट्रोल. Even 5 to 10% of weight loss helps in controlling your PCOS and weight loss. And trust me, weight gain is not just only linked to PCOS, it is linked to various different conditions. And a healthy lifestyle is, a very, very, very good option to control many of the disease. So, first is healthy lifestyle. Then we have medicines. The medicines that are prescribed by the doctor. It can be anything. Medicines for diabetes, medicines for acne treatment if you want to control your acne, medicines for birth control pills, etc. These are also there. Now, pregnancy. Pregnancy is definitely possible with PCOS. Don't be, like in a very upset. Don't be upset. If you have PCOS, you can't get pregnant. Pregnancy is easily possible with PCOS if you manage it properly. So, in order to manage PCOS, it's very important for you all to first know the sign, symptoms, know the basics of PCOS, how it happens, and whatever possible manageable tricks and techniques you can use, just use those. So, for that, you have to watch my video because in my next video, I will be telling you all about risk factors, symptoms, and various different steps ahead for PCOS. If you like my channel and if you want to get more updates on this, please follow my channel and like this video. And please also subscribe my video. Stay safe.